Today is Tuesday, December 15, 2020. I'm working from home since we are still under general community quarantine. Right now, it's my lunch break, and my sister requested me to pick her up because she's going to have her half-day leave today. This place is Taguig, and I'm gonna pick her up from her office in BGC or Bonifacio Global City, also inside Taguig. To my right is the C5, and this road is the service road. As you can see, there are a lot of motorcycles, and there are some people who ride bike because there is a challenge with commute here in Metro Manila. Although luckily there are taxis, there are grab cars, there are jeeps and tricycles that you can ride. The passengers are limited inside the vehicle because of physical distancing. So a lot of people have bought bicycles and motorcycles. Some, those that have money, they bought cars. So I'm just gonna tour you around while I drive going to my sister's work. And to my right is the Heritage Memorial Cemetery. This is where my grandfather and grandmother is buried, or are buried. My aunt lies here as well. She was cremated, and she's here in the columbarium in Heritage Memorial Park. Okay. So as you can see on the road, to the right side, okay, let's go to the right side. Okay, there is a bicycle lane because there are a lot of people now that are using bike to go to their destination. So the road now is kind of narrow because they splitted the road to about 3 lanes, or 2.5 lanes rather. This is the Philippine-Korea Friendship Center to the right. I actually wanted to try going there, but then pandemic came, so maybe next year, or maybe when COVID is gone. Okay, this is the Bayani Road, or the Heroes Road. It's called Heroes Road because to my back, that is where the cemetery for heroes is located. During the normal times, or the old normal, this street is also banks, convenience stores, and residential. So this street used to be really busy, but now it's, traffic is just light. Golf range, and there's also a gym to my left. This is the Philippine Army gym. This is one of the camps of the Philippine Army. Okay, we're going right. And this is now Lawton Avenue. This also used to be very busy because this is the road going to McKinley and BGC. Before the quarantine, there are only 2 lanes on this avenue, but during the quarantine they managed to make it 3 lanes. Okay, to the right is the McKinley Hill. It used to have a lot of employees going inside there because there are a lot of buildings. But now doesn't have much people. And then to the left, to my left, is the Upper McKinley. Okay, they are building a lot of condominiums and buildings. It's like an extension of the McKinley Hill. So in the future there would be a lot of companies and condominiums. To the right is the American Cemetery, and here lies all the heroes from the World War II. American heroes. Yep. also a lot of restaurants here. Actually, before we used to dine out here during weekends. A bit expensive, yeah. Although you would still be able to find some restaurants that have good price. This area is really good. They managed to or they were able to manage the traffic here because they made some roads one way to be able to accommodate all the cars that are passing by BGC. But one of the main problems we have here in BGC is parking lot or parking spaces, because they tend to be occupied faster, especially during peak hours. And the parking rates here are really expensive. But now there are fewer cars, so it's no longer a problem. Maybe when everything gets back to normal, or when people go out, then parking spaces would become a problem again. To my right is the Bonifacio High Street. So there are a lot of boutiques, restaurants, cinemas in this location. Let's zoom in a bit. There you go. And this is really a nice place to hang out with your friends, with your family. And it's also a nice location for you to walk your dog, or just walk or jog around BGC, because they have broader sidewalks, as you can see. And sister. And then we'll head home and have lunch. Okay, let's wait for my sister. And we're here at the W5th Avenue. When general community quarantine was announced, their company requested them to go back to the office. So now they're supposed to work inside the office. I'm lucky that our company still allowed us to work from home, to prevent, you know, getting the virus, because there were a lot of people who had contracted the virus from our building. Fortunately, my sister is still okay, and she takes a lot of precautions when she's going to work. So she has with her a lot of protection like face mask, face shield. She has wipes that has a disinfectant to clean her table, clean the stuff, and she has an alcohol with her. See, she's carrying a lot of things with her. Now she's here, and we're going back home. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye, Whimsies.